Hi everyone, it's Miss Sarah. So if you're watching this video right now, that probably means that you have found my seed necklace kit. Woohoo! And if you haven't found my seed necklace kit, you're probably gonna find one sometime soon, okay? So let's go over what this is. So what we're gonna do is make some seed necklaces. Now, what's a seed necklace? A seed necklace is a little packet that you can wear as a necklace or hang in your window. And we're gonna have some seeds in here turn into plants right before your very eyes in your very own house. Now, let's find out how that's gonna work. So let's go over the materials that we have. So we have our necklace, and inside, don't open it yet, okay? So inside we have one cotton ball and about 6 to 10 little radish seeds. Look at those. Look how small they are. Isn't that cool? So I want to show you guys some of the seeds that we have. A lot of different kinds of radish seeds that are probably in your pack because I made so many of them for all of my lovely, lovely students. We have many different kinds of radishes. In there, we have the Easter egg blend, lots of different colors that look like Easter eggs. We have the French breakfast radish. Look how different these look from each other. Wow. We have the early scarlet globe radish. I think these look like rubies. I think they're so pretty. And we have the plum purple radish. I guess these turn out a little more purple than the other ones. So 2 more things that you'll need that I need you guys to get from your homes are a little plate that we can empty our seeds onto so they don't roll away, and a little bowl with just a tiny bit of water. Look how little water I have in here. We really don't need that much, okay? So these are the 2 things that you'll need. And let's get started. So first off, we're gonna have plants growing. So what do we know about plants? Think way, way, way back. I know it was a long time ago, but think back to when Miss Sarah probably came to your classroom and we talked about a few things that plants need to grow. Can you guys remember what any of those things are? So to grow, plants might need sun, water, and soil. Now we have water here. The sun is outside, and if we put this on a window, we can get sun. So you may have noticed that there's actually no soil in your seed necklace kit, and that's a really good observation. So we're gonna do something here called improvising. Improvising means kind of making do with what you have. So if you open your seed necklace, finally, be very careful. First, you can take out the cotton ball and just put it on the side. Not in the water, on the side, okay? We want it to still be dry. And then very carefully, you can take your bag of seeds and just carefully dump them onto your plate so that they don't roll away. And if you'd like, it might make things a little easier, you can put them in a pile. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see, like that, okay? And you can put your necklace to the side. So as you've probably noticed, our kit does not have any soil in it. So we are going to use our cotton ball friend as the medium, which means the material that our radish seeds are going to take root into. So this is going to be our soil. Now how's that going to work? Well, let's find out. So step one we already did, which is to carefully open your plastic bag and remove the cotton ball seeds. And make sure that your seeds don't roll away, and you can put them in a pile if you'd like. So check, step 1 complete. Step 2 is to take your cotton ball and dip it in the water so that it is very wet. So that's what we can do right now. We'll take our cotton ball, we'll dip it around in the water so that it's nice and wet. And now let's go to step 3. And you guys can pause in between steps if you need more time, okay? So you can gently squeeze out the cotton ball. You want to make sure that it's not dripping wet like this. And you don't want to make sure it's dry because our plant needs soil. So you want to give it a little squeeze like that. And if you squeeze it out too much so it looks like a little raisin, that's okay. You can put it back in your water and you'll see that it grows a bit as it absorbs water. And then we'll squeeze it out again, just very gently. See, it's not even dripping water on my computer, but it's still wet. Awesome. So step 4 is to take our cotton ball and dip it into our pile of seeds so that all of our seeds stick to our cotton ball, like so. And they should stick. If they don't, totally fine. Try again. And if they don't end up sticking, see, this one didn't end up sticking. Instead of getting upset, I'm just going to put it in the bottom of my plastic baggie so that it'll grow in there. So now that I have all of my seeds sticking to my cotton ball, we're going to move to step 5, and I'm going to very carefully put my cotton ball back into where it came from, back into the bag. Check that out. So, and our last thing that we need to make sure that we do is close our plastic bag all the way. You're going to hear it lock into place like a Ziploc bag, okay? So this is what you should have right now. So I know it doesn't look like much right now, but what you can do is you can have an adult or a cousin or your mom or your dad or your friend help you tie this around your neck. You can wear it around the house, look all cool. Or you're going to hang this up in the window. And it would be important to hang up in the window because we talked about what do plants need to survive? They need sunlight, they need water, which we have, and they need soil, which we made because we are so smart. And in about a week, maybe a little bit less, I think in a few days, you might start to see your beautiful radishes begin to sprout. And in a week, you should definitely have some big green sprouts that you can actually eat. So they taste a bit like salad. And I just want to make sure, if you decide to eat them, make sure you're only eating the green part. So you don't really want to eat the seed or the roots because they won't taste really good. So think like salads. Salads are green. We're going to eat the green part of our sprouts. And one thing that I really want to make sure of is that you guys do not eat your green sprouts if there's any black on them. If there's any black mold, any fungus growing, do not eat it. It will not taste good. But that shouldn't happen if you start to eat your sprouts within like a week or 2 of growing them. Okay, I know you guys can do it. I know it's going to be really fun. I hope you've enjoyed this project. I miss you all so much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.